Oh, hey.
Hey, Rachel. We're just here to ask you a few questions about social media.
Well, shoot, let's do it. Come along.
So which platform would you say is the hottest for business owners this year?
I would definitely have to say it's a tie between Instagram and Pinterest.
Oh, and what would you say is the latest with hashtags?
Oh, everything is changing because the social media platforms are starting to take into account your captions and even the words that you use in your videos. So while hashtags are important, they're not as important as they used to be.
Wow, that's really interesting. How do you say that you would stay consistent in business?
Oh my goodness, it really and truly comes down to discipline. I don't feel like it every single day.
So how often then would you recommend emailing your list?
For most people, I recommend emailing your list about once per week, but I email my list 3 to 5 times per week, which is a lot.
Wow, so do you think I need to niche down?
Absolutely not. You are your niche.
Wow, and what camera should I use for content?
Use the camera you have. I create most of my content on my iPhone.
Wow, so would you say it's all about lighting then?
Definitely all about lighting. I mean, we don't have a single studio lighting here, and we've got great videos and photos.
So what do you do after you go viral?
After you go viral, the most important thing is to keep posting content.
So then what do you do with all of the haters' comments? Do they hurt?
It definitely hurts. I'm human. But the truth is it fuels me to create better and be kinder in this ugly world.
Wow, so is it personal brand or business brand?
I personally am a fan of personal brands for rapid growth, but they're not as good for scaling or even if you ever want to bring in a team to help with content creation.
So would you recommend using Instagram or TikTok?
Ooh, I'm on an Instagram kick right now. Sorry, TikTok.
And is it more about using AI in your business?
I'm a huge fan of AI in my business, but the important thing is I use it to assist. You can't skip the basics like learning copywriting or how to write something that really pulls people in, like storytelling.
So do you use a Facebook profile or a page?
I use both, but I am a huge fan of Facebook profiles right now. The algorithm is incredible.
Okay, so I need to know, how do you get in the zone?
I get in the zone usually by drinking lots of coffee, playing Mario Kart, and laughing with my friends doing stupid stuff.
That's so fun. How long did it take for you to make your first million?
I want to say 3 or 4 years. That was a while ago.
Okay, so tell us how long it took for 10 million.
8 years. 8 years of every day.
That's so awesome. Those are all of our questions.